Hello and welcome to Zimbabwean Media. In some latest news, Sungura music legend Alick Macheso has escaped unharmed after the vehicle he owns was involved in a road accident near the Blue Ridge area along Mutoko Road. According to reports, the Toyota Fortuner seen in pictures circulating on social media belongs to the musician. His manager and publicist T.Ch Makahamadze confirmed the accident and said Macheso was not driving the vehicle at the time. Makahamadze also confirmed that none of the passengers sustained injuries, with everyone involved escaping unharmed. Macheso is currently one of Zimbabwe's most celebrated Sungura artists. Fans have since taken to social media to express relief, with many thanking God for the musician's safety. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.